The importance of English and how Ria learned it. Ria was a bright girl who lived in a small town. She loved reading books in her language, playing with her friends, and helping her family. But there was one problem. Every time she watched English movies or listened to people speaking English, she felt left out. She knew that learning English would help her in many ways, but she didn't know how to start. One day, her teacher, Mrs. Sharma, told the class, "English is important because it is spoken in many parts of the world. If you know English, you can talk to people from different countries, get good jobs, and travel more easily. It's the language of business, education, and technology." Ria realized that if she wanted to grow and succeed, she needed to learn English. But the big question was, how? Mrs. Sharma gave her simple advice. Start by speaking a little bit every day. Don't worry about mistakes. That's how everyone learns. You can also watch English movies with subtitles, listen to English songs, and read simple English books. Ria decided to give it a try. Every day, she learned 5 new words and practiced speaking them with her family. She watched her favorite cartoons in English and repeated the words she understood. She also asked her friends to speak to her in English, even if just for a few minutes. At first it was difficult. She made mistakes, felt shy, and sometimes didn't understand everything. But she didn't give up. Slowly, she started improving. She could say short sentences, understand conversations, and even read simple stories in English. After a few months, Ria's English was much better. She felt more confident in school, could talk to new people, and understood the movies she once couldn't follow. She realized that learning English had opened up many opportunities for her. The key to her success? Practice, patience, and never giving up. This journey showed her that learning English wasn't just about understanding a language. It was about opening doors to a bigger world, full of new possibilities and exciting experiences. This story emphasizes the importance of learning English and offers simple steps to improve speaking skills.